many minds, my heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside, think about it, your gut can lie. Like when you're hungry but it hurts to eat. Do you actually